Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I've got another portable fan for you. This is the Lakewood 600, 6-inch personal desk fan, also known as 600A, although I don't think they were ever labeled as such. Yeah, this is the 6-inch model of the 1200A, which you all know and have probably seen before. Yeah, it's the personal model, and you can see they basically just took the 1200 and just scaled it down. It's basically the same fan, just shrunk down a bit, and with a few extra differences. But yeah, same color scheme with the almond colored base and grill and motor housing, and the brown blades and the labels. Um, yeah, this one instead of having the buttons or the switch on the base here, it has it on the back of the motor housing. Um, and it doesn't oscillate. Yeah, so it's, like I said, shrunken down. Now, they did make a 9-inch model as well, so a model in between these two, the 900A or 900, and that one did have the switch on the base, but it was a knob instead of buttons like this one has, and that one oscillated as well. Now, they also came in a few different colors. I know they came in blue as the 600B. They came in pink. They came in peach, I think. I don't think they came in green. Yeah, I think it was only like blue, this almond color, peach, and pink. Although maybe I'm getting mixed up. Maybe the peach and the pink are the same. I'm not too sure. I really only seen these in blue and almond. The other colors are a bit more common from what I've seen, or a bit less common from what I've seen. Um, yeah, now I do also have the original 1200 model, this one, the blue model, which came out earlier than both of these. This came out in, I think, like the late 70s. And I did make a video on that one. But yeah, this one is like the next generation model, second generation, I guess you could say. Well, technically third, because there was another model before this that had the smaller motor housing, the Fasco motor, and it had the different buttons and the sparkly badge. Um, But yeah, I'm not sure if there are any different variations of this model. So I turned it to the side here. It's got the same plastic grill as you noticed. Um, and it's got the same support ring around the outside here. Although the earlier models didn't have this ring on the front here. They only had it on the back, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I'm not positive. I think they may have had neither. Um, I did used to have an older variation a while ago. Um, Then in the back here, motor housing is the same basic design. It's got the same exact venting on the back there, which is really handy because I was able to get the my zoom spout in there and oil the back bearing of the motor. And it's got the switch on the back here, 2 speeds. Um, yeah. Interestingly, the motor housing still has this hole right, or this spot here for the screw hole, but on that one it actually is the screw hole to keep the motor housing screwed on. On this one, it's not. It's just a little molding point there, I guess, left over. And another interesting thing, this one has somebody's name written on it again. I don't know what it is. My blue one here has North on it, and this one has somebody else. And then I think my little Cool Breeze, the blue Cool Breeze I have also has somebody's name written on. I don't know what it is with me finding fans with people's names written on them. Oh, and the other thing is I found this one at Savers. Same exact place I found the blue Lakewood 1200, and the Cool Breeze. So, yeah, interesting. I keep finding fans with names written on them from Savers. So, oh yeah, and then the last thing was, let me show you the bottom. I'm not sure if this used to have, actually, yeah, I think it did used to have all of feet like that, but 3 of them are missing and there's just 1 remaining. But then here's the label. Model 600, 0.4 amps, Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company. Yeah. I guess that's the UL number. Not sure what AM means. But yeah, very simple design compared to the 12-inch model. It doesn't have like a cover, an actual base there like this one has. But yeah, I guess there's nothing left to say about this one. I guess we can give it a test, and I've got it plugged into the kilowatt, of course, so we can do our electrical specs. So I'm gonna move this over and have that happen. Okay, there, I don't know why that was uncooperating with me, but let's start the fan up on high. And for a little 6-inch fan, it's actually quite powerful. You know, I can feel a pretty strong gust of wind all the way back here, which is very, very impressive for a 6-inch. Yeah, and this has just a regular shaded pole C-frame motor in it, so nothing too impressive. Still, performance-wise, it is pretty impressive. So let's see. Got 0.33 amps, so under its rated current. 21.1 watts. And just about a half power factor or so. So, yeah. Highly impressed by this one's performance. Alright. Turn it to low. Still throwing out a good deal of air on low. And it is quiet. Yeah, I have a feeling my dad will want to use this one at his desk during the summer. It's powerful and quiet. Let's see what we're drawing here on low. 0.15 amps, 10.4 watts. It's still just about a half power factor. Alright. I'll spin it down from low. And like I said, I did oil this one, so it's a pretty decent spin down for a C-frame motor. I also want to show you 0 to high, and I want to show you the startup sound if it has one. I know these shaded pole motors don't tend to have super pronounced startup sounds, but here we go. Maybe a little bit. Alright, now I will spin it down from high. Yeah, definitely impressed with this one. So, yeah, I don't know if there's anything left to say about this one. So that is the little Lakewood 600, aka 600A, 6-inch personal desk fan. So thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video.